Hi friends, welcome back to Taste Express. Today we are making Kolhapuri chicken for you with the red mix. With that, heat your pan. Like always, add 1 spoon of ghee or butter, whatever, oil, it's your wish. Once it's ready, add the mustard seed to it. Once your mustard seeds start crackling, add the khada garam masala to it. Some red chilies, dried red chili, and curry patta to it. Once this sizzles, then you have to add your boneless chicken. You can just add 2 spoons of yogurt in it. Let it cook. Till the time your chicken is being cooked, you can add milk to your red mix. Friends, never add tomato puree or any kind of citrus thing to your chicken fryer. It becomes very hard and chewy. If you want it to be a little soft, marinate it a little prior and then cook it. It will be really soft and juicy. Cook the chicken for just 2 minutes. In Kolhapuri chicken, friends, you all can add some bell peppers, capsicum, onion, whatever you like. And for vegetarians, you all can add or any kind of veggies, all the possible mixed vegetables. Kolhapuri is nice and spicy. Once your chicken is ready and cooked, just a minute more. Once it's cooked, now you can add your tomato puree to it. You all can even use homemade tomato puree. Saute it well. Now add your red mix to it. After adding your magic mix red instant gravy masala, along with this, now add any vegetables you would want to add. I'm adding capsicums as well as onions. Mix it. To this we are going to add our Kolhapuri masala. It's nice and spicy. Let it cook a little now. Your Kolhapuri chicken is ready. Y'all can serve it hot with rotis or rice and enjoy your meal.